Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your cloud costs with CloudHealth, full guide step by step clearly. To secure your cloud costs with CloudHealth, begin by logging into your CloudHealth account. Navigate to the dashboard to get an overview of your cloud environment. Next, explore the cost management features available on the left sidebar. Select the Cost Analysis tab to analyze your spending patterns. Use the filters to segment your costs by department, project, or service. Set a time frame for your analysis to identify trends and spikes in expenses. Next, go to the Budgets section to create a spending limit for each department. Define the budget criteria, including the amount and the time period. Set up alerts to notify you when spending approaches or exceeds the allocated budget. Now, head to the Recommendations section for cost optimization suggestions. Review the recommendations carefully to identify underutilized resources. Consider right-sizing instances or purchasing reserved instances based on the analysis. Check the Reports tab to generate detailed spending reports. Customize these reports to focus on specific projects or overall cloud usage. Once you gather insights, share these reports with stakeholders for transparency. Next, restrict access to cloud resources using CloudHealth's policy management features. Create policies that enforce best practices in resource usage. This will help avoid unexpected costs caused by uncontrolled resource provisioning. Regularly review cost-saving opportunities displayed in your dashboard. Set a schedule for recurring cost audits to keep cloud expenses in check. Finally, make it a habit to revisit your CloudHealth settings every quarter. This ensures that your cost management strategies remain aligned with your business goals. By following these steps, you can effectively secure your cloud costs and optimize your spending with CloudHealth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.